right, so we just received this. It's a portable video player, and it's by this company called YOTON, and it's the best companion on your road trip with your family and friends. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There's the number. And yeah, we just got to get her out of the box and see what it looks like. There we go. Got that off of there. All right, let's go ahead and pop it out. Oh yeah, so let me get the combination here. Okay, we got that one out. Got that one out. Okay, now it should just pop open, right? I think. Or maybe we gotta do it like, oh look. So this is the way this works. Okay, here we go. We've got it all wrapped up in this. That's pretty cool. That is interesting. Look how that worked. There's some directions in there. We need to get those out. But let's, there it is. There's the info on it there. Let's flip it over. Let's take a look. Wow, check it out. That looks nice, huh? What do you guys think? Pretty cool. So now, let's see what it's got on the side. So it does have a USB port. It's got an SD card port. I think this is the headphone port. This is AV out, AV in. There's your on and off button, and there's your power. So if you click that, it's on. Click that, it's off. But we don't have it hooked up to the power, so we're gonna have to do that. And then I think over here is an eject button. And I think, I'm looking to see if it plays DVDs, but I don't see that anywhere. Oh, unless it's right here. Let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at this. Okay, it's got a warning here. It says, please take out this card before playback. All right, so we've got to pull this out before we do that. So here's where you put your DVD, all right? Then you just close it, and bam, Bob's your uncle. DVD goes in there. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Set that right there for a second. Look at that, balanced perfect. This right here is the user's manual, and that might be helpful. Usually I don't even look at them, I just try to figure it out on my own. It's like I like to figure out the puzzle, you know what I mean? So anyway, you definitely want to take a look at this. But we'll put that to the side. And there's a box in here. And I think that's probably going to be the power cables and all of that stuff, right? Oh, stay there, don't fall. Ah, good. So let's take a look and see what's in here. Oh yeah. Oh look. It does have a remote that goes with it. Okay, so let's set that here. This looks like sound cables, like the RCA sound cables. And I do believe that this is, look at this. This is for your, so you can plug it into your lighter. So I'm going to get it open. I got frustrated. I just ripped it open. All right, so this plugs into your lighter, right? And then you can plug, so you can, you on the road, you can put it in the car. That looks pretty cool. Let's try that out. And this is the power cable. Let's pop it open. So here's your power cable. And you just plug it in. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. Set that there. Let's look at this RCA cables. So this is for external speakers, I think. So they give you the traditional red and white that you would plug in, and this is for the dual, and this goes into the headphone jack. So yeah, you could use that with this too. So now all we got to do is try it out. I think that these, I don't know, they may have batteries in it, might not. Let's take a look and see if we have to put them in there. Yeah, we got to put a couple batteries in there. Now, I don't know if they come with this or not, but let's take a look at this. So it's got numbers, it's got a setup, it's got power, it's got all that stuff on it. But I don't know if you need that with this thing because it's portable and you're going to have it in your hands probably when you're using it. But you do get one with that, so we'll throw some batteries in there and check it out. And I think that's everything. Let's look inside. Yep, that's it. So there she is, the portable DVD player. All right, so that's everything that you get in the box. And now all we got to do is plug it in and try it out. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.